Today we're going to draw ourselves deep into the vortex, and you know I couldn't resist those spiral transitions to get us from picture to picture. This is another drawing that would be great to help you relax. It's repetitive lines, but with enough thought behind them to keep you focused. Now I'm just using my sketch pad for this and one of my Micron Pigma pens. You could use any black pen for this and any paper really. So I'm drawing lots of wavy circles, and I'm trying to make a little bit wider bands and a little bit skinnier bands. We're going to fill the wide bands first, and you'll see I just segmented into squarish shapes, and then we're just doing a vertical line and going across the top, so like I guess a bit of an L shape or a reverse L depending on your perspective there. And we're going to continue with that until we fill all of the wide bands with this design. I knew I wanted to fill those narrow bands with some color, and it took me a little bit to settle on what color I wanted to do. And what I ended up landing on is a kind of a night blue. It's sort of an indigo, sort of just a really dark, pretty blue. So we're going to color in all of those narrow bands with this color. I'm just using my Crayola Super Tip. I wanted to watercolor this, but then I realized that I had used my sketch pad and it really can't take a whole lot of water. Now you'll also see it made it a lot easier to color this because I took it out of the sketchbook, and at this point that corners of that sketchbook have some curled edges, so I decided to trim it down and make it almost square, not quite square, but I trimmed it down to be a shape that I like better. And then I had to ponder what to do in those colored spaces. Was it enough like that, or did it need something more? At this point, my kids told me it looked like more cartoonish, something like they imagined would be in a Dr. Seuss book. So I wanted to keep the vortex theme, and another idea I had was to kind of spatter white paint on it and make that dark blue look like a night sky. But we stayed true to the vortex, and we repeated the same design using our silver metallic pen in those blue spaces. I really love the shimmer of the metallic pen. You can see as we move around it, the way the light changes, some parts of it will look really dark and then some parts of it will be really shiny, and I like the way it changes depending on how you're looking at it. So now I've got lots more videos for you. YouTube thinks you would like the one on the left, and I've left you a playlist that I think you'll enjoy on the right. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already to join me for more fun art videos. Thanks so much for joining me today.